Life seems like the gleaming ball of fire. Rising and setting over and over. We fall, we rise up, we break, we mend. At times suppressed when failed to impress. Yet at the end we rise up to rebel against every regret that keeps us depressed, letting go of what has been and welcoming what is to be. Just as there is beauty in every sunset, this is the beauty we live with. Rising and setting, rising again, brighter than yesterday, living today again. Even with a broken heart, we put on a smile on our face. This shows the courage that is to be embraced. It's okay to break or to be broken up again. All that matters is to be sane enough to feel and express the emotions we ought to possess. Let the cheeks soak the tears and let the heart get softer, because this is the beauty we live with. Rising and setting, rising again, brighter than yesterday, living today again.